Now that you have a good idea of what to do and where to find your dream job, it's time to start putting your plan into action. But before you do, there's something important you need to know. Don't let your job search make you anxious. It's easy to get wrapped up in the stress of finding a job, but it's important to remember that you're in control. You can't let the hunt take over your life. Otherwise, you'll only make yourself more anxious. I want to share with you a few tips to help keep your job hunt anxiety under control. And if you're new to my job search training videos, now would be a fabulous time to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a video about improving results of your job search to get you hired rapidly in your dream job. Here are a few tips to keep your job hunt anxiety under control. 1. Make a plan and stick to it. Creating a plan and sticking to it is a great way to stay organized and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Know what you're doing each day and make sure you set realistic goals for yourself. 2. Take breaks when you need them. It's important to take time for yourself during your job hunt. Relaxing for a few minutes can help clear your mind and help you stay focused. 3. Don't compare yourself to others. Comparing yourself to other job seekers can only make you feel bad about yourself. Remember, everyone's journey is different. Sooner or later, you'll find the right job for you. Just don't rush it. 4. Talk to someone about your anxiety. If you're feeling anxious about your job search, talking to someone about it can help. A friend, family member, therapist, job search strategist can all be great listeners. Plus, they can offer helpful advice and support. And 5, take care of yourself. Remember to take care of yourself during your job hunt. Eat healthy foods, get enough sleep, and exercise regularly. These things will help you stay calm and focused. Now that you know how to deal with your job search anxiety, it's time to put your plan into action. Good luck on your job search. If you found value in this training today, let me know below with a like, comment, or question. I'm always in the comments answering questions about your job search. Remember to subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications. And if you thought of someone who'd benefit from hearing this message today, please share this video with them. My goal is to share these recruiting insider secrets to teach job seekers how to market themselves to employers, increasing their chances of getting noticed and hired rapidly. You'd have my endless gratitude for that, and your friends will thank you for sharing resources with them to become employed. This is Ilene Rein from Pounding Pavement 101.